for the census data, now we have the census data from different population census, economic census. The most complete the census data are actually 2,000 population census data. So those census data are available at province and county neighbors. So you can easily retrieve the data at some electronic tables. This is very straightforward. But if you like to extract, say, one variable across a different region, it's very time consuming. So this is kind of very straightforward in Excel file. So the census map is an effort to integrate all those kind of census data in one searchable database. So this census data, the maps include more than 7 million the census maps for China. Next time, I try to find, say, the school. So they can search the data at either national level, province level, city level, and county level. Now you can see the maps of these, say, the variables across the country. So this is the number of the persons with no school or education and migrated from township of other province. So this is the Hubei province. This should be Hubei province. You can go to connect to the next prefecture city, and then go to each county, and go from here. You can also go to the township. So it's very straightforward, and you can switch and from national level, province level, city level, county level, and to a township level. Those data can be downloaded into the Excel file, CSV file. You can export the maps into the PDF, PNG. You can also view those maps in China as well in an interactive way. You can also switch the map between different county neighbors. So this is one county. I go to another county. So so you can switch, or you can edit the title. If you would like to export this map, you can change the way to classify the map. You can add the neighbor, add the boundary. So there's also add the classification. So this is provide a very flexible way. And also for each map, you can find subject the map data source, what's the data source, and also where's the citation. The citation include a unique map ID. So you can copy this ID into your paper or in presentation. You will get direct access to these maps. You can also switch between English and Chinese. So sometimes, if you are not sure what the English means when they translate from Chinese, you can always switch between English and Chinese, switch between different provinces, switch between different counties, or switch to the next neighbor administrative units. Okay, so all these kind of data services still looks in a traditional way, because either they are kind of in statics, either in the table charts, or either in tables, in electronic books, or in charts, or in maps. So the new service